If you're trying to grow your account on TikTok in 2022, I'm going to share the exact same methods that I use to grow my account to over 100,000 followers. Now this video is going to have a lot of useful tips, so make sure to stick around until the end. Hey, what's going on you guys? My name is Benjamin, and in this video I'm going to share a lot of tips to help you grow your account on TikTok in 2022. Now whatever reason why you want to grow your account, whether it's for business, you just want to get more followers, you just want to show off to your friends that you have a lot of followers on TikTok, these methods will help you out. So with that being said, let me just get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do if you want to grow your following on TikTok is to first pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. What I see a lot of people doing is they make the mistake of just posting random content on their TikTok account and they're wondering why nobody is following them. If you don't pick a niche that you're focusing on, people aren't going to really know what your account is all about. Now, when picking a niche, I always recommend people to pick a niche that they're passionate about, something that they wouldn't mind spending all day long talking about. Now, another tip is to have a clear description in your profile. So whenever somebody sees one of your videos on the For You page and they want to check out your account, they're going to have a clear description that'll tell them what your account is all about. So for example, on my account, I have a description in my profile that lets people know what my account is all about, as opposed to somebody else that might just write, I'm just bored. People won't know what type of content you're going to be posting. Obviously, you're bored. You're going to post just videos that you're making because you're bored, but they won't really know exactly what your account is about. Now, another tip is to do some research. So spend some time on the For You page scrolling. I know that's probably hard to do because, you know, who does that? But just spend some time scrolling through the For You page and you'll start to see a pattern of what type of content is being shown on the For You page. Now you're going to see a lot of trending sounds. So if you see somebody using a trending sound and then you scroll to the next video and somebody else is using the exact same sound, and then you scroll a few more videos and you see that same sound being used, that's an indicator that that sound is a trending sound. So you might want to consider using that sound if it applies to your niche. Now, another tip is to follow other people who are in your niche. Follow people who are doing what you want to do or what you're currently doing. Look at how many followers they have and look at the type of content that they're posting. You can get an idea of what videos are doing well just by looking at other people who are in your niche. Now, a great tool that I recommend for anybody who's looking to grow their account is called Sort for TikTok. This is a Chrome extension that you can download for free. And basically the way it works is you go to anybody's profile on TikTok, and if you want to see their most viewed videos, you're just going to use that Chrome extension. It's going to say sort, and basically it's going to filter out all of the top videos and it's going to show them at the very top, and it's going to pretty much show their videos from the most amount of views to the least amount of views. Now, as far as using hashtags, hashtags don't really help your video get more views. It just kind of gives TikTok an idea on who to show your videos to. So I don't recommend, especially if you're a smaller account, to use hashtag FYP, hashtag For You page, hashtag FYPP, because I see a lot of people using these hashtags. And honestly, that's not going to really help you get your video out there more. What I recommend is to use hashtags that are relevant to your niche. So for example, my niche is the Make Money Online niche. That's a pretty popular niche. So if I use Make Money Online, that's going to have millions of people who've used that hashtag before. So even me, somebody who has over 100,000 followers, I wouldn't really use that hashtag because there's so many people who've already used it. So the likelihood of somebody getting to see my video just because I'm using that hashtag is pretty low. So I would use hashtags that have only been used probably like 10 to 20,000 times. Okay, so real quick, if you're getting value from this video so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so when it comes to recording content, if you have a busy schedule, if you work a full-time job, but you still want to grow your account on TikTok, I recommend setting aside 2 to 3 hours out of a certain day, whenever you have a day off, to batch record videos. So this is going to take some time for you to do some research, get some ideas for videos that you want to record, and then just set aside some time to record those videos, and you can edit them and post them throughout the day or throughout the week. Because one of the main things to grow your account on TikTok is to post consistently. You can't expect to post one video and then wait 2 weeks and then post another video and then wonder why your account is not growing. Now, I always recommend people who are serious about growing their account on TikTok to post between 2 to 4 times a day. Now, I know you might be thinking that's a lot of videos to record a day, but if you think about it, these are short form videos. So you can post a video anywhere between 1 second to 3 minutes long. So what I've noticed recently is that the algorithm is pushing out videos that are 7 seconds long exactly, because a lot of people, they have short attention spans, and 7 seconds is kind of like the sweet spot to get people to rewatch your videos. So if you can start off posting one short video a day, I mean, that's better than posting no videos a day. But I recommend anywhere between 2 to 4 videos a day if you're serious about growing your account, and keep them between 7 to 11 seconds long. Now, another tip is to post throughout the day. You don't want to always post in the morning, because a lot of people are probably getting ready for work. They're not going to see your videos at that time. So TikTok might not show it to people at that time. So you kind of want to play around and see when are the best times to post. Now, the algorithm is always changing, so there's no determined time on when is the best time to post a TikTok video. So if you're going to post 3 videos a day, I recommend that you post 1 video in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and then 1 in the evening. And then you can get an idea of which videos are doing well and what time were they posted. Now, another tip to help you grow your account is to use trending sounds. So like I mentioned earlier, you can scroll through the For You page and get an idea of which sounds are trending just by the amount of people that you see using that specific sound. Now, there's also an app that you can use if you have an iPhone called Trend Talk, and this shows you their predictions of what sounds are going to be trending. Now, I don't have an iPhone, so I don't use this app, but there are people who do share trending sounds that do have this app. So I recommend that you follow this account called Choose Your Social, and she's a TikTok and Instagram marketing strategist. So she also shares trending sounds, and she even gives you a recommendation on how to use them. So you can use those sounds sparingly if they apply to your niche. Along with using trending sounds, I recommend that you duet or stitch popular videos that are related to your niche. So from time to time, I tend to duet motivational videos because my account is about making money online and also motivation as well. Now, a simple but powerful formula that I recommend that you follow is to have a hook, value, and a call to action. So it doesn't matter what niche that you're in, following this simple formula will help you gain more followers. Since a lot of people have short attention spans and they're just scrolling through TikTok all day, you want to hit them right away with the hook. So what is a hook? This is something that's going to capture people's attention right away. I recommend that you have a hook right in the beginning of your video that's going to capture somebody's attention within the first 2 seconds. So here's a couple of examples of videos that I have posted that have a hook in the beginning of my videos. Did you know Smith & Wesson has an affiliate program? Let me show you. Here's another app where you can find jobs that are flexible to your schedule. So here's one website that I wish I knew about sooner. So let's say, for example, you want to post a video that shows people how to save money on car insurance. So you can start off your video right away with the hook that says, here's one simple trick to help you save 20% on car insurance. So that would be the hook part. Now the next part of your video would be the value. So actually showing somebody how they can save 20% on their car insurance would be considered valuable. And then you always want to end your video with a call to action. Now a call to action is just simply letting people know what you want them to do next. So if you want to get somebody to follow you, all you have to say is, if you want to learn more tips about saving money on car insurance, make sure to follow me. Or if you want somebody to click on the link in your profile, you can just simply say something like, if you want to learn how to get started, check out the link in my profile. And then you can just have like an arrow that points to your profile picture. Now, if your call to action is to get somebody to follow you, make sure that you let them know why they should follow you. You don't want to just tell people to follow you because they're going to think why they should follow you. So since the videos that I post talk about making money online and different online side hustles, I always end a call to action by saying something like, if you want to learn different ways to make money online, make sure to follow me. Or I say, if you want to learn different side hustles, make sure to follow me. Now the last tip that I want to share with you, and this is probably the most important, is to share your story. Let people know a little bit about you. Let them know what are some of your hobbies, what do you do for work, what are some of the things that you overcame, some of your struggles in life, and this kind of creates a little bit of relatability between you and your audience. People who have the same background as you do, they're going to resonate with you more compared to somebody who has nothing in common with them. So sharing your story is a powerful way to get people to know, like, and trust you, and that's going to make them want to follow you. And the last tip that I wanted to share with you is, don't try to be perfect. If you're brand new to creating content, especially video content, your videos, they're not going to be all that great. I'm going to just be honest with you. You're gonna feel weird. You're not gonna like the way that you look, the way that you sound, but all you have to do is just be persistent, keep on posting videos, and you're gonna get better over time. I felt weird when I started posting TikTok videos because, I mean, you can go to my account and scroll all the way to the bottom, but honestly, I mean, don't do that because my videos were horrible. But yeah, just keep on posting videos and you're gonna get better as time goes by. Now, if you wanna learn how you can use TikTok to make money with affiliate marketing, then you're gonna wanna check out this video right here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.